Hello everybody, welcome to Honeybee Fluid Art. Today I'm going to be working on an 11 by 14 canvas. I'm going to be using Brilliant Blue by Amsterdam. It's a mound into a mound. It's pretty thin, but it has a nice pull to it. So not too thick, not too thin. I'm going to do a traveling rain pour today. I have Pearl White by Amsterdam, Pebeo Blue by Amsterdam, Iridescent Precious Gold by Pebeo, and my base I'm going to use is Titanium White by Amsterdam. So like I said, I'm going to do a traveling ring pour. Get that stick out of there. I'm going to use this little measuring cup here to put my paints in. All right, I'm liking what I see. I love the blues, how they mixed in here, as well as going on here. I mean, I just love it all. The swooshies going on over here. Looks like I got some cells popping up here and in here. That looks really nice. It's like a little bubble in there. Let me get something to get that off with. All right, let me see what I got here. There we go. All right, I'm liking it. It's reminding me of some deep blue sea or something. I'm gonna scrape those edges and I will get you down for a close-up. I'll post the dry results at the end.